Something is wrong with those of you threatening Peter Obi with the presidency because he spoke out against the injustice and wickedness of locking of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you think that Peter Obi is power drunk and is desperate to become a Nigerian president at all costs, then you don't know. The truth is this: Nigerians need Peter Obi far more than Peter Obi needs Nigeria. If you don't know, I am not speaking for any political party. I am only speaking as someone who cares about Igbo and who also wants the best for Peter Obi. This is my honest opinion. Sir Peter Obi, please hear this. If it is possible, forget about contesting for president again. Nigeria does not deserve you, no matter how sincere you are. The position of president will stain your name. This country is too heavy for any honest person to carry. Even the current president is struggling because Nigeria's system is difficult, broken, and full of tribal, religious, and hate politics. In Nigeria, people vote based on tribe and religion. Because of this, Peter Obi will never be allowed to win. Even if he wins, they will always find a way to rig him out. The truth is bitter, but that is the truth. There's a northern cabal always trying to corner Nigeria's presidency. And whenever a southerner becomes a president, they always rear their ugly heads trying to thwart such efforts. And there's this unwritten law that no Igbo man should be allowed to rule Nigeria. Peter Obi is an Igbo man. And with my spiritual eyes, the principalities are frustrating his efforts, which to me is inconsequential, as Peter Obi doesn't need the seat to prove anything. Peter Obi is more than enough, and presidency or not, it won't diminish him, nor make the Igbos not realize their full potential in this contraption called Nigeria. That is why I wish Peter Obi could stop trying to save Nigeria. He should put his energy into helping people directly, sponsoring education, supporting health, building human capital, especially in Igbo and anywhere else he chooses. This will bring real development instead of wasting effort on people who don't appreciate him. Peter Obi, please sit down and calculate all the money you have spent traveling up and down the country, trying to help and win hearts. Think of all the millions you have used to support northerners and southwesterners who still don't want you. That money could have gone into building schools or supporting your own people. Many people who mock you today benefited from your kindness. And the funniest part is this: you're not even the president. For every small thing that goes wrong in Nigeria, they blame you. Imagine what they would do to you if you were actually the president. It's not funny. It is not. They would drag you like a goat and throw all the problems of the country on your head. Nisigi. Peter Obi, you have tried. You have done more than enough. You don't need to be Messiah of Nigeria. Your family needs you. Alibo needs you. The people who truly value you will appreciate your impact more than those who insult you. Look at Obiano. He's enjoying his life in peace. Peter Obi, you deserve that same peace. Nigeria is draining you. This constant stress is aging you fast. Nigerians prefer leaders who oppress them. They prefer strong men who don't respect their rights. So please, my dear Peter Obi, rest. Zukini ken na ebanigo. Enko de gene. Kedi fo. Kodara agwoga. Kwesịghị na-ezu ike kịta chofu nọgoro na America relax ebe anwa na imagoro na-emegasị ife dị aṅa. Your time as governor of Anambra State was almost perfect. That alone is legacy. It is enough. Please focus on your business. Make your money. Help people when you want to. Spend time with your family. Invest more in Alibo. Live long. Stay healthy. Nigeria will survive without you, but your people truly need you alive and strong. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.